This video shows how to modify or delete a recipe using the Converge Oven with simple control. Touch the Recipes icon. To modify a recipe, touch the Recipe Edit icon of the desired recipe. The first stage of the recipe displays. Scroll to the stage you want to modify and touch the values you need to modify. Touch the humidity icon to modify the humidity percentage. Touch the chamber set point icon to modify the chamber temperature. Touch the fan speed icon to modify the fan speed. Touch the trash icon to delete a step, if desired. Touch the save icon when finished to save the recipe. To delete a recipe, touch the delete icon and select the recipe or recipes you want to delete. Touch the delete icon again and touch continue to confirm you want to delete them. For more how-to videos, please visit our website.